Solution of first terminal examination 2025-26 held on 2nd June. So here in this, first we solve the MCQs. First one, Sahil deposited 500 every month in a recurring deposit account for 2 years. So number of months are 24 months. And at the time of maturity, he receives rupees 13,000, his maturity value. Then we have to find in this question the interest he earns. These are MCQs, options are given. So we have to find interest. Interest is equal to MV, that is maturity value, minus N into P. So 13,000 minus N is 24 into 500, which comes to 13,000 minus, if we multiply this we get 12,000, that is rupees 1,000, which is option D. Then second bit we have daily wages of a group of daily wages are given below. So a table is given. From there we have to determine the model class. So the table given, from the table we can see that CI is 500 to 600, 600 to 700 class interval, then 700 to 800, 800 to 900, and the last one is 900 to 1000. Frequency for this is 15, this is 19, this is 20, this is 21, and this is 18. These are the frequency given. So here we are asked to find the model class. Model class means the class having the highest frequency. So frequency of the model class. So this is the model class whose frequency, highest frequency is 21. So model class is the one with frequency 21. So answer is option number C, that is 21. Then bit number 3. Bit number 3, in this two triangles are given, ABC and triangle EDF. Here it's given 80 degrees, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here 60 degree, 40 degree is given. So we calculate the third angle of the triangle. 60 plus 40, 100, 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. And here these two sides lengths are given, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So we observe that here these two angles are 80 degree, and then ratio of the sides, corresponding sides we can find out. So we conclude that here 8 by 4 is equal to 10 by 5. So we get the ratio 2:1. So therefore these two triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS property, side angle side, side angle side. Okay, so this is option number A. Then next we have bit number 4. Bit number 4 says which of the following cannot be determined graphically for a grouped frequency distribution? It's mean, that is option D. Mean, we do not need a graph to find its value. Then bit number 5. Rima deposited 400 per month. So principal given is rupees 400 for 18 months. N is 18 months. Qualifying sum of money for the calculation of interest. So qualifying sum, formula is N into N plus 1 P by 2. So we substitute the values 18 into 19 into 400 by 2, which on calculating we get rupees 68400, and the option is C. Now then bit number 6. Bit number 6, here it's given to, in the given diagram not drawn to scale, railway station A, B, C, P are connected through railway tracks. Track PQ is parallel to BC. So this is the diagram given. 20 kilometer, and here it's 50 kilometer, and this is 18 kilometers. Okay. The time taken by train traveling at 90 km per hour to reach from B to A by the shortest route. So what we have to do here? First of all, we have to prove that triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by AA property. Okay, this I am not writing the reason. Here these two lines are parallel, so these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, this angle is common also. So if these two angles we consider, then corresponding angles are equal. So these two triangles are similar by AA property. Then since these two triangles are similar, we have ratio of the sides AP by AB is equal to PQ by BC, or AP is equal to PQ, that is 20, into AB, that is AP plus 18 by BC, that is 50. So we simplify this, we get 5AP is equal to 2AP plus 36, or 3AP is equal to 36, or AP is equal to 12 kilometers. Now AB, distance is 18 plus 12, that is 30 kilometers, and time is equal to distance by speed. Time is distance is 30 kilometer, speed is 90, so it takes 1/3 hour, which is equal to 1/3 into 60, that is 20 minutes. Option is D. Okay, so next question we have bit number 7. Bit number 7 question is assertion A. For a collection of 11 arrayed data, the median of the median is the middle number. This assertion A is true. A assertion, this is true. Then reason R. For the data 5, 9, 7, 13, 10, 11, 10, median is 13. If we calculate this, first we have to arrange the numbers 5, 7, 9, 10, 10, 11, 13. So after arranging, we see that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 odd numbers. So median is the middle number, that is 7 plus 1/2, 8/2, that is fourth observation, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our median is 10, but in the question it is given median is 13. So this is false. So option is C. A is true, but R is false. A stands for assertion. Assertion is true, but the reason is R for reason is false. Then next we have number 8. John gets rupees 975 as interest. So interest is rupees 975 at the end of year by depositing 1500 per month. Principal is rupees 1500 per month in a recurring deposit account. The rate of interest is 10%. Then maturity value of the account is, we have to find the maturity value here. So maturity value is equal to NP plus I, and it's also given here that at the end of 1 year this much, so time is 1 year, that is 12 months. Okay, so N is 12, P is 1500 plus I is 975. So here on multiplying this, we get 18,000 plus 975, that we get rupees 18,975, which is option number C, number 9. Number 9, it's given that we have to find the ratio of the area of the unshaded part. So area of triangle AED by area of triangle ABC is AD square by AB square, which is 3 into 3 by 5 into 5, which is on into 125. Area of ABC is given here 125. So which on calculating we get 45 centimeters square. That is area of triangle AED. So unshaded portion area of unshaded portion is area of triangle ACB ABC minus area of triangle AED, that is 125 minus 45, 80 centimeters square. That is option number C. Then the last sum, option of MCQ. Here it is given from the graph. So this is the graph. From here we have to find the interquartile range for the given ogive. From the graph we observe that n is equal to 80, lower quartile is n by 4, that is 80 by 4, 20th observation 10. From the graph we get upper quartile is 3n by 4, that is 3 into 20, that is 60th observation, which is 52. So interquartile range is 52 minus 10, that is 42. Here we take plus minus 2 error, so I will be considering answers as bit A, that is 42, and also answer C, that is 44. Question number 2. X has a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposits 2,000 per month. So here principal is rupees 2,000 at the rate of 8%. So rate given is 8%, and he gets 1040 as interest. So interest is rupees 1040. Find in years total time for which account was held. So time we have to find out, and we know interest here. So we will be using formula of interest, that is I is equal to n into n plus 1 PR by 2400. Now substituting the values, 1040 is equal to n into n plus 1 PR by 2400. So which on simplifying, 8 3s are 24, we get this. Then taking the numbers to the other side, we have 1040 into 3 by 20 is equal to n into n plus 1. So this we have n into n plus 1, that is n square plus n minus 156 is equal to 0. On middle term factorization, we have n square plus 13n minus 12n minus 156 is equal to 0, n common, n plus 13 minus 12 common, n plus 13 is equal to 0. So n plus 13 common, n minus 12 is 0. So time cannot be negative, that is n is minus 13 we cannot consider. So n is equal to 12 months, that is equal to 1 year. Then next question we have bit number 2, that is we have to find the mode. So data given here, mid values are given. So with the help of those mid values we have to first make the class intervals. Mid values given are 28, 34, 40, 46, 52. Then class intervals we will make. Frequency given is 10, 8, 24, 16, 8. So we make the class intervals, we subtract these two, 34 minus 28, and whatever we get we divide it by 2 and add and subtract on both the sides. So 34 minus 28 is 6. So 6 by 2, 3. We add and subtract 3 on both the sides. So the class intervals are 25 to 31, then 31 to 37, 37 to 43, 43 to 49, and 49 to 55. Here we have to find the mode. So we can from here, by seeing the frequency, we can judge that this is the highest frequency. So this is the modal class. Mode will lie between 37 to 43. So this is the graph done on making the graph and doing the histogram, finding the values. We get mode to be 40.7 and plus minus 1 values will be considered. Okay, then bit number 3. Bit number 3, this is the diagram. In this, AC is given 3 centimeter, CB is 6 centimeter. Find the length of CR. So we will find length of CK, KR and then add it. So here we start with triangles A, K, C, this triangle, and triangle AQB. I am writing these both triangles as similar because these two lines are parallel. So this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this, but since corresponding angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar by AA property. So the ratio follows: AC by AB is equal to CK by BQ is equal to AK by AQ. That is 3 by 9, 1 by 3. So now we take CK. We have to find CK. So CK by BQ. BQ is given 7.5 centimeter. That is equal to 1 by 3. So CK is equal to 7.5 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 15, 3 5s are 15. So we got CK to be 2.5 centimeter. Now we will take triangles QKR and triangle QAP. These two triangles QKR and QAP. These two triangles are also similar because this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this. Since corresponding angles are equal and these lines are also parallel, so these two triangles become similar by AA property. So I am writing here that these two triangles are similar by AA property. So QK by QA is equal to KR by AP. So 2 by 3 is equal to KR by 4.5, which on simplifying we get KR is equal to 4.5 into 2 by 3, which on simplifying we get 3 centimeter. So we want CR. CR is CK plus KR. CK we had got 2.5 centimeter. KR we got just now 3 centimeter. So we got CR value to be 5.5 centimeter.